Nara Chandrababu Naidu, born 20 April 1950, is an Indian politician and current leader of opposition in the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly. He is a former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, serving from 2014 to 2019. He was the first Chief Minister of the state after it was divided. Previously, he served as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh from 1995 to 2004, before the state's division, and as the leader of the opposition in the United Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly from 2004 to 2014. He is the national president of the Telugu Desam Party and the longest-serving Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Naidu has won a number of awards, including it Indian of the Millennium from India Today, Business Person of the Year by the Economic Times, South Asian of the Year from Time Asia, and membership in the World Economic Forum's Dream Cabinet. Naidu chaired the National Elite Panel under the National Democratic Alliance government and was described as one of the hidden 7 working wonders of the world by Prophet. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.